Hi, my name is Dr. Jennifer Shaer. I'm a pediatrician and the Chief Medical Officer of Allied Physicians Group. And I have a question for you today. Are you nervous about giving your child the HPV vaccine? I can imagine you might be. I know you want what's best for your child, and it's impossible to avoid being bombarded with messages from the internet, your friends and family, and even your doctor. When we get overwhelmed, our brains instinctively freeze up and we end up pushing off decisions completely. This is particularly true when we fear that making the wrong decision could potentially harm our child. So we make no choice. It's natural and really makes perfect sense when you think about it. But I want you to consider that making no choice is actually making a choice. The decision to give or not give the HPV vaccine is completely yours. But I ask you to make that an active choice and not a default decision driven by fear or overwhelm. Give yourself some time to truly think about the pros and cons when you are well rested and fully connected with your best thinking. Seek out information and analyze it critically. Have compassion for yourself while you go through this process and recognize that your evolutionary instincts are there to protect you, but are not always right. This message is not intended to dive into details around the HPV vaccine or to force you to vaccinate. I am here simply to ask you to keep an open mind, to think and to rethink, to consider reaching out to your pediatrician for an open, non-judgmental conversation. I am here as the Chief Medical Officer of Allied Physicians Group because, like you, I want what's best for your children. Thank you for listening.